Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you how to check Line ID on Line account. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to check your Line ID and maybe like use it in a way that you want to share this with your friend or do whatever you want with it, well, this one is quite easy to find. Now, first things first is you want to guarantee that you have the app fully updated. So open up Google Play Store if you're using another device, search for Line, and just make sure it's fully updated. But let's go and click on open. Now, to find your ID, you want to go and click on the gear icon that you see at the top right of the screen. Just go and select or click on it, and you want to go and click on Profile, which is the first option that you should be seeing on your screen. Now, from here, it should just give you your display name, your status message, your QR code even, and also your line ID, which is the fourth option that you should be seeing in here. Now, if you haven't set up your line ID here, you can go and select on it or click on it, and you should be able to type in whatever you want or whatever line ID you want to use in here. Go and click on check if it's actually valid, and once it's actually valid, you should be able to start using it in you should be able to start using that as your line ID. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.